Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is our Tuesday tip of the week, and we are going to be discussing certain sitting positions that you should avoid at all costs to help prevent lower back and hip pain. My name is Dr. Russell Brokstein, and I'm your top-rated Freehold, New Jersey chiropractor, and every week we're trying to give you more tips about how to get relief of your neck pain, back pain, headaches, but also health tips in general. So let's get right into this video, and we are going to go through certain positions that most, especially women, will sit in. Some men will sit like this too, that can actually be leading and causing your lower back and hip pain. So I'm going to turn this video around right now, and I'm going to focus in on Princess, my lovely assistant, and we are turning.
Hi,
hey, there's Princess. All of our patients love Princess, and they've been loving our videos. So right now, Princess is sitting in a proper position. We went over proper seating position a couple weeks ago on a previous Tuesday tip of the week, and with the sitting, Princess was having previous problems because she actually wasn't sitting the right way. So in the comments section or the description of the video, I will actually put a link, so if you want to review that, it can help prevent many things like inflammation in the legs, the feet, and even pain in the legs. But today, let's get into the certain positions that are very bad for you and you should avoid if you are experiencing back pain and hip pain, but also to help prevent problems in the future. So this is the proper way to sit, and the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to have Princess cross one leg over the other. Now, sitting with the leg crossed like that actually tilts the pelvis, and with the pelvis tilted, it's hard to see in this position. I'm going to actually go behind Princess and going to see when she's sitting like this how it actually causes her to tilt. And by sitting like this for an extended period of time, because most people are sitting many hours during the day, it's putting a lot of stress and tension on the hip joint, the low back joints, and especially those discs. When you're sitting, there's a lot of pressure being put down on the lower discs of the lower back, and those are the main areas that a lot of people have problems in. So this is one of the positions, as you see right now with her tilting, that can cause a lot of problems. I'm going to go back around to the other side again, and we're going to go over two more positions at least that can be causing a problem. So that was with the leg crossed over. Now, a lot of women like to sit with one leg crossed underneath.
We all do that.
Very comfortable, right, Princess? But again, with the leg crossed under like that, you know, I'm not going to go behind her again to show, but it does a very similar thing to the lower back. But another thing, when you are sitting with the legs crossed, now she has her right leg crossed underneath. You're going to stay like that, Princess. I'm going to just come around to the other side. Now, if you look, the way she has her hip, this has put a lot of stress and tension right on the inner point, actually on your right side. So it's going to put a lot of stress in there. She might not be feeling it now, but when you sit like that for several hours, it stretches and puts a lot of strain and pressure on the muscles, tendons, and ligaments that surround the hip and around the glute region. And this can also lead to lower back pain. Now, another position a lot of people, especially women, like to sit with, not only in their chairs, but a lot of times if you have children at home, women like to sit in an Indian style. Now, I would be doing this and she could video me, but unfortunately I can't get my legs in these positions. Or I should actually say, I'm glad I can't, because I can prevent my low back pain. But again, as you see, the hips are turned out, and this is putting a lot of stress and tension on the hip joints, but also on the knees, because these are not natural positions for the knees. Again, sitting in this position, you know, if I go from behind, it's going to be a little bit of an imbalance, you know, with the lower back. There's a little bit of a tilt down there, and we want to try and prevent as much as possible these types of positions that can be causing your lower back, hip pain. And even if you do not have the pain, I can't stress this enough over and over again. You might not have pain now when you sit in those positions, but in the long term, it can lead to more and more problems. Right, Princess?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to get the camera off of her for a second. She gets a little, I think, shy when she's on camera. But I know as I do more of these videos, she'll get more and more comfortable. But again, these are sitting positions you should avoid at all costs. And I do want to show you one other thing. I'm going to bring the camera and everything into the other room. And Princess is going ahead of me because I am going to show you our other lovely model. And going to switch this around. I'm going to give the camera over to Princess. And, okay, this is our other lovely model over here. As a chiropractor, we always love showing on the spine the types of problems that are occurring. So when you do sit with a leg cross, so say this right leg you're crossing underneath, it's going to go in a position like this. And you can see how the spine will twist. And when it twists, it puts a lot of stress on the joints down here, your SI joints. And again, as we turn like that, sitting like that all day, we're then going to start compressing on the discs in the lower back and then putting pressure on these nerves on either side. And we want to prevent that as much as possible. So I'm going to take the camera back from Princess and turn this back around to me. And I hope you enjoyed our Tuesday tip of the week. If this has helped you, click like, click the love signs. We always love those. And also share this with other people that you know, because sitting is the new smoking. I can repeat this over and over again in some of our other videos, but sitting is so detrimental to problems with the spine. And more and more people, they say 80% of the population does experience back pain. I try and educate my patients and you to do as many things as possible to prevent irritation of these areas and also prevent future problems. So again, make sure you share this, make sure you like and comment below, and please look forward to some of our future Tuesday health tips of the week, and we hope you have a great evening.
Have a good evening, everyone. And don't sit like that.
Don't sit like that. Okay, don't sit like that. Listen to Princess, she knows. And, we look forward to seeing you soon. Signing off from your top-rated Freehold, New Jersey chiropractor, and we hope to see you soon.